How to change streak emojis on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change streak emojis on Snapchat. So by default, the streak emoji will be the fire emoji, which is this right over here. So if you want to change this to any other emoji, what you'll have to do is simply navigate over to your profile. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the settings option on the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down until you see the option friend emojis. Simply tap on it and then you will be able to see the list of all of the different emojis provided by Snapchat. So as you can see, this is the snap streak emoji right over here. So if you want to change it, simply tap on it and then it will take you to your emoji library where you will be able to set any one of the new emoji. So for now, I'll simply select this emoji right over here. After that, all you have to do is back out and then let's back out again. After that, as you can see, the snap streak emoji has been successfully changed from the fire emoji to this emoji right over here. So that is basically how you change the streak emoji on Snapchat, or if you want, you can also change any other emojis on Snapchat. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.